Good morning, dear learners. Today we will study simple present tense negative sentence. In the last video, I had introduced you people simple present tense affirmative sentence. Few points I missed. What I will remind today about simple present tense affirmative sentence. Once again, let's revise what is tense that I defined. Tense is a period of time, and tense has three kinds: present tense, past tense and future tense. And each and every tense has four kinds. For example, present tense, simple present tense or present indefinite tense, present continuous tense or present progressive tense or present imperfect tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, simple past tense or past indefinite tense, past continuous tense or past progressive tense or past imperfect tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Future tense, simple future tense or future indefinite tense, future continuous tense or future imperfect tense or future progressive tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So in this way, 12 tenses are there. After that, I told you that each and every tense has four sentences. That is affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. And I started with the first kind of simple present tense that was affirmative sentence. Then now we will talk about negative sentence. But as I told that I missed few points in the affirmative sentence, that I told that I just would introduce about the future tense also, that simple present tense can talk about future, how it can talk about future. Examples I could not give, I just missed that. Today I am giving you affirmative sentence. If we just think about that, how can it give the meaning of future? Let's find it out. I am giving you an example. If I just tell you one sentence, you have to notice it. Please kindly pay your attention that he will come today at 5 p.m. He will come today at 5 p.m. I am talking about future tense, but I am using will. Okay, and will denotes that I am using the future tense. But we can use simple present tense as the future tense. How? I'm telling you. He comes today at 5:30 p.m. It will also work like future. He comes today at 5 p.m. today. He comes today at 5 p.m. It means that he will come today at 5 p.m. So simple future tense affirmative sentence can work like future also. The Prime Minister comes today. The Prime Minister will come today. You can find it out. That's such examples. It means that affirmative sentence or simple present tense can work like future tense. Okay, and you can use it. And continuous also. Continuous, but I am not going to make you people confused. That's why I am not discussing continuous tense. Continuous tense also works like it works like future. I will give example when I am dealing with the present continuous tense. But here I am talking about simple present tense. Affirmative sentence I completed. Now I will start with negative sentence. When we talk about negative sentence, जब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस की बात करते हैं तो नेगेटिव में आपको ये ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ आप डज का यूज करेंगे, डज नॉट, एंड प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ आप डू नॉट का यूज करेंगे. जैसे मान लीजिए अफर्मेटिव में क्या होता था, अफर्मेटिव में ये होता था कि आप उसमें सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट में वो में ऐसे ये जोड़ते थे और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट से आप केवल विमन लगाते थे. ऐसे इसकी कोई प्रॉब्लम उसमें नहीं थी, आपको कुछ जोड़ना नहीं था. और मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दे दिया था, याद होगा कि ही गोज टू मार्केट. उसमें वो में ऐसे जोड़ना रहता था किसके साथ एस और किसके साथ एस लगाएंगे. मैंने ये भी आपको बताया था कि जब वो के लास्ट में ओ रहे, डबल एस रहे, एक्स रहे, सी एच रहे, तब वो के लास्ट में आप एस का यूज करेंगे. अदरवाइज वो के साथ एस का यूज करेंगे. जैसे मान लीजिए मैंने एग्जांपल आपको दिया था, ही कैचेज अ थीफ. ही कैचेज अ थीफ यानी वो एक चोर को पकड़ता है. तो मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप वहां पे वो में यस का यूज करेंगे. कैच, सी ए टी सी एच, सी एच जुड़ा हुआ लास्ट में, इसलिए हमने यस लगाया. ही गोज टू मार्केट, क्यों इसमें वो में हमने वो में यस लगाया क्योंकि वो के लास्ट में वो है. तो इस तरीके से और फिर मैं दूसरा एग्जांपल देता हूं कि माय ब्रदर वैक्सेस मी रेगुलरली. वैक्सेस डिस्टर्ब्स. हियर एक्स the last to find the letter, that's why we have used es, vexes. So in this way that you can find that how can we use how can we use verbs according to singular subject and plural subject in affirmative sentence. Now, negative sentence, if I talk about, I'm giving you one example. And singular subjects and plural subjects, once again, you have to keep in the mind, singular subjects that I told you people last time that we have to count 6, that singular subjects. Okay. Singular subjects here. Okay. Just you count it. It will be quite easier for you. Okay, that. Yes. B, C, it, this, that, and one name. One name is Prince. I have given an example. One name is Lokesh. One name is Sita. One name is Gita. So Albert. One name is Parminder. Whatever the example you can give, one name that he said it, this, that, and one name. And if we talk about plural subjects, last time also I have told you people. Okay, that's plural subjects here. Plural subjects. I told that I, we, you, they, these, those, and more than one name. More than one name. More than one name. You can find I, we, you, they, these, those, more than one name. And single subjects initiated this, that, and one name. So if we talk about negative sentence, how can we use the sentence? So let's talk about singular subject first. So if I'm using he here. So he does not perform well. He doesn't perform well. He doesn't perform well. And another single subject, if I talk about, we can use here that this boy does not play cricket. I have given you 2 examples. Here he, singular subject. I told this boy, I told this is the singular subject, so this boy doesn't play cricket. If I give you plural subjects, then the example, if we talk about for plural subjects, let's give example of plural subjects. Then these boys do not play cricket. These boys do not play cricket. One example, another example, I talk to, okay, we do not disturb others. We do not disturb others. Here, another plural example I have given. So you can think, you can think very well that with the singular subjects we have to use does not, and with the plural subjects we have to use do not. और मैं आपको एग्जांपल आपको और सारा दे देता हूँ एग्जांपल्स ताकि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाए. मान लीजिए मैं ये कहता हूँ कि जैसे मान लीजिए वह नहीं पढ़ता है, सो ही डजंट स्टडी, वह अध्ययन नहीं करता है, he does not study. अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि वे लोग अध्ययन नहीं करते हैं, so they do not study. So with the single subject we have to use does not, and the plural subject that we find that do not. They do not study. We do not study. Okay, these boys do not study. And what? Those boys do not study. But when I talk about he, she doesn't sing a song. She doesn't study well. It doesn't work. Single subject. This boy doesn't perform well. That boy doesn't speak a lot. One name. I had given example earlier that one name example, Prince, Lokesh, Sita, Gita, whatever the examples you can give. One name that Prince doesn't tell a lie. One name. Okay, one name you can give example that Robert doesn't disturb others. One name. And the plural subjects that I told, that plural subjects, I have given example that I, we, you, they, these, those, and more than one name. More than one name means more than one name examples I have not given. I am giving example more than one name. Just for example, जैसे आप ये समझ सकते हैं कि राम and श्याम. Ram and Syam do not tell a lie. So Ram and Syam means more than one subject. More than one subject, it becomes plural. Ram, Syam, Mohan, Sohan. Ram, Syam, Mohan and Sohan do not tell a lie. Robert and Parminder do not help others. Like this you can say, or Robert and Parminder help others always. I am talking about the affirmative, but when we talk about negative, so Robert and Parminder do not tell a lie. इसका कहने का मतलब रॉबर्ट और परमिंदर झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. So you can find it out with the plural subjects we have to use do not, and with the singular subject we have to use does not. But one more usage is there. One more use is there. What I am talking about, use of never. Use of never in negative sentence, never means kabhi nahi. So how can we use never? Here I am giving you example that they never talk a lot. When we use never with the plural, they never talk a lot. Then with the singular subject, that we find she never tells a lie. She never tells a lie. So you can find it out that with the never, the singular subject, we have to use, we have to add s or es to the verb once again. And with this never, that you can find kabhi nahi, that they never talk a lot. It means ये लोग ज़्यादा बात कभी ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं. So they never talk a lot. So with this use of never, we have to put yourself on alert that when we use never, we will not use do not or does not. Never means kabhi nahi. It means Ram never tells a lie. It means Ram kabhi झूठ नहीं बोलता है. ठीक है. और वे बच्चे कभी क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हैं. So those boys never play cricket. So that affirmative sentence you have to keep in the mind, that how to use never in such subjects. And if we talk about format in negative sentence, so with the singular subjects, what will be the format? Singular subjects format, if you talk about, with the singular subjects format will be subject plus singular subject plus does not plus V1 verb first form plus object plus etc. Okay, and with plural subjects, what will be format? With plural subjects, what will be the format? I am telling you, with the plural subjects, what will be the format? Plural subjects plus do not plus V1 plus object and plus etc. So this is what that I have clarified very well. Negative sentence. Please, if you want to have a very good practice, if you want to have knowledge regarding this way to present simple present tense, negative sentence, my dear students, my dear learners, I would like to request to you people, please have a practice in written. Whatever you are studying, please write those sentences. Go for the practice papers. You can take help from the internet also, and so many things in the way that you can make it as a perfect source of studies. Thanks a lot, and a lot of blessings to you people. Thank you.